Hi, today I'm going to talk about the relationship, not the relationship between two person, but the relationship with the money, means finances. I think it should be made mandatory in this school from class 6 to learn about finances, like what are the interest rate, how much is the capital you need, and how to lend money, how to borrow money, and so that your daily life should be easy, and education should be such that it should be useful for making decision right in your favor. It should not be like remembering and memorizing something that just for the sake of getting the marks, getting the numbers in the exams. So I tell you a story where the simple maths is so important. The finances depends on two things. First is expense, second is earning. If you can figure it out, what are your earning and what are your expenses, your earnings should be more than expenses. Or in other word, if your earning is not much, you should curb your expenses. So I tell you a story of my dear friend. He is the one person whom I have known him since childhood, and I mean, I can rely him on anything and everything. So what happened with him? He was into a business. He is in a job also. Simultaneously, he opened a business, but somehow his partner cheated him, and he could not sustain the business. In the desperation, he got a loan from this nowadays instant cash, instant app-based finance company. I tell you, government should also take care of this. That somebody, and this app-based finance company is charging 1% daily of the principal amount. 1% means 30% a month and 365%. Staggering, astounding. 365% a year. It's just unsustainable. It's You cannot sustain with these kind of interest rates. So what he is stuck into, my friend, that he is not able to serve the EMI, and day in day out, all the time what he is thinking is to give the EMI on due date. Although he is earning well, he is earning more than what 90% of Indian is earning, but he is not able to save even a single penny. I'm sorry, but he might see my videos, but I don't know, it is for education for others and a life lesson for others also. Thank you.